So we'll discuss the insertion operation on the B tree. How to insert elements one by one into the initially empty B tree with order what m equal to 4. So consider these are the list of inputs. We are going to add one by one into the initially empty B tree with order what m equal to 4. So 5, 3, 21 like that, but one by one we are going to add it. Okay. So before what start insertion, you will fix the minimum and the maximum. Okay, so the maximum keys and the children. Okay, the maximum key is what, and the children is that m equal to what, 4. So what, 4 and the key is the 3, maximum 3 keys. It means each node will have the 3 boxes for storing the key elements and the 4 pointers to store the children. Okay, and the minimum uh, keys and children. So minimum is a m by 2, seal of m by 2. So m by 2 is a 4, 4 by 2 is a 2. Even if it is a 5, so the minimum key, children is the 5 by 2 seal. It is what, 3, and the 3 plus 1 is what, 4. Okay, here m by 2 is sorry, if it is a 5 means the number of children is, so 5 by 2 is a 2.5. The seal is the 3 if it is a 5. 4 means the number of maximum number of children is 4 by 2, 2. The sorry, minimum number of children, the minimum keys number of elements in each minimum elements is the this minimum children minus 1, that is m by 2 minus 1, seal of m by 2 minus 1, that is a 1. So while inserting that elements, we should ensure that the each node is satisfying this condition. Okay, so this is the case for what, internal nodes. In case of the root, it should have the minimum one element. It is not depending, the minimum value is not depending on that what, the m value. It should have what, minimum one element. Okay, key element and two children. Okay, the maximum is a fixed 3 and 4. The leaf node, it may not have the, it will not have the children, and then all the leaf node should be what, at the same level, and the element should be stored in that ascending order. So that we need to what, keep it in mind while inserting the elements. So first operation is the insert of what, 5. Will come start that insertion one by one. Insert of 5. So it is what, initially empty bit, so there is no node. So that for the first element you need to create the root. So root 2 means that a node structure will look like that. That is 3 boxes and 4 pointers. Each line indicate that pointer, correct? So the pointer value will be the null and the node, the data value will be that empty. The 5 will be inserted into that leaf. So similar to what? So BST, we need to look for the leaf node to which the new element to be inserted. We need to look for the leaf node to which what, the new element to be inserted. So we have to start the position for the new element from the root to which leaf node I wanted to attach the new element, like that we have to look it. Once we found that a leaf node, we need to look for the space is available in the leaf node. If it is available, it will be what, it can be inserted on in that leaf node. If the space is not available, we need to go for the procedure of what, split and increase level. We need to go to the procedure of what, split and increase level concept. Okay, so the thing is very simple. Look for the leaf node to which the new element to be what, inserted based on the value of the new node and what values in that tree. Okay, since it is an empty tree, okay, so when you inserting the first element, I need to create the new node. That new node have to be set as the root, Okay, the root there is a space, the root itself a leaf actually. Okay, in the empty tree the root itself what leaf node. So what the new element need to be inserted on that leaf node. So I have to what insert the 5 here. So 5 will be what inserted. Okay, then next I wanted to insert the 3. Insert 3. So again I need to look for the leaf node. Leaf node actually what the BST will start from the loop root, whether it can be go on the left side or right side like that. But here the root itself the leaf now. Okay, so I need to check first that new element can be inserted in the root itself. That is, it means the space is available in the root itself, because the root itself a leaf now. So what I need to what check the space here. So 3, that is only one element is filled. Maximum I can store what 3 elements in the root. So far only one element. So the space is available for the 3. So we can insert it. So no need to what split and increase the level. So just you store it. Okay, so that the 3 will be inserted on that root itself. So it will not create any new nodes. Okay, it will be inserted here itself. So while inserting the new node, we need to make sure that that element should be in that ascending order. It means that 5 already there, 3 we should not be inserted after the 5. Okay, so we should be stored in that ascending order. So we have to store like what of 3 and followed by what 5 like that. 5 will be shifted and 3 will be stored. The next what insertion 21, insert of 21. I need to check for the leaf node. So here the root itself a leaf and space is available in that root, so I can easily what insert it. Okay, the space is available, we can easily what insert it. So that 5, 3, 5 and 21, it should be in that ascending order. That only we have to ensure it. Okay, and then next insert 9. So the 9 again what when you are looking searching the space for the 9, in the root is the leaf. Okay, I need to insert the 9 into the root only, because there is no further leaf. So I need to insert the 9 into that root node itself. So root node itself means there is no space for the 9 in that root. Okay, because that a maximum number of elements is getting filled, so there is no space. When the no space, when you are finding what the no space for the new element in that found leaf, so I need to go for the concept of what split and increase level. Split and increase level means just I need to write that elements in that ascending order including that 9. So 3, 5, 21, I need to insert 3 into here. So just you write like what 3, 5, 9 and 21. Okay, 9 and 21. So in that 4 elements, just to find the middle element. Okay, in the 4 element, just to find the middle element, and then what we have to make that middle element as the root, and the left, the elements which are there on the left side will be in the left of that root element. Right side, that elements which are there that will become what right of the root element. Okay, so here the middle element is either 5 or 9, anything you can choose. 4 elements is that means middle element is either 5 or 9. So you can what design in that algorithm which one you are going to choose as the middle element. If it is a 5 elements, or that means middle element would be exactly the third element. 4 elements either 5 or 9. So I am going to make this as what the 9 as the middle element. So just to what move the 9 up. Okay, and increase level. So that is what we are going to what go to the concept of what split. Okay, and increase level. So split and increase level means, so we are going to make a split on the 9, and increase level means 9 will go to that root, 3, 5 will be the left of the 9, 21 will be the right of the 9. So that the tree will become the root. Okay, the 9 will be there. Okay, so in the root the 9 will be there. Okay, in the left of the root and right of the root. the left of the root and the right of the root. Okay, so in the left of the root 3 5, right of the root 21. So 3 5 and 21. So we have splitted into two of, and we have increased the level. So far what, only one level is there. Now it is becoming what, two level. So 9 will be in the root. Okay, so now it is satisfying the B tree property. It means every node have at most what, 3, and at least what, one node, one element. Okay, and all the leaf node are at what, the same level. Correct. So we satisfied. So we have inserted what, the 9. Then I need to look for the 1. So how to insert that 1? Insert 1. Okay, next element. So now we need to look for this leaf node to which the 1 to be inserted. Be clear here, the 5, the new element 5 will be inserted in the root itself. But here the 1 is going to be inserted into the tree. So once if you are checking the root, the space is available, so I can insert here, means don't do like this. So any new element can be inserted only at the leaf. Keep it in mind. Okay, it means that I need to look for the leaf node to which what the new node to be inserted. So here I cannot, even the space is available, I cannot insert the one in the root itself. So to which leaf I wanted to insert the one, like that we have to search it. So for that we need to compare the value of the new element with that element here. So the 1 is less than 9, so it should go here. It means that this is the leaf node. So 1 can be inserted in that leaf node because there is no further leaf. So it can be what, inserted in that leaf. In that leaf the space is available, like that we have to check it. So the 1 can be inserted in that leaf. So now what, the space is also what, available, so that we can simply insert that 1 into this what, the left leaf, so that the tree will become now 9. Okay, 3. Okay, so the 9 is there, and the 1 is inserted in this space, correct? So it will be inserted in the ascending order. So 1 3 and 5. So here 21 alone will be there. Okay, so the 1 is simply what, inserted in the empty space. Then I need to go for inserting the 13. So insert 13. So for what, we have inserted 5 3 2 9 and then 1. So with this node I wanted to insert that 13 here. So again I need to look for the leaf node, compare, start from the root. 9 13 is greater, so go to the right. So don't store the 13 in that root itself. I can insert the new element only at the root. Okay, sorry, only at the leaf. Okay, so the 9 means 13 is greater, so I need to go here. So here it is a leaf, it is found that it is a leaf, so I can insert the 13 into this leaf. So now I need to check the space for that new node. So it can be inserted in that node itself, so we can insert it. Space is available, simply insert it. Otherwise the space is available, is not there, the space is not available, then you go for the split and rise the level. So now space is available for the 13, simply it can be what, inserted here. So this will be become what, 13 21. So the new tree after inserting the 13 is, so after inserting the 13 9, there is no change in that left 1 3 5 and the right 21 13 21. Okay, so 13 and 21, so 13 is inserted in this empty space. So next I need to go for insert. The next element to be inserted is what, in the list 4. So I have to what, insert 4. So now you look for the space here. 9 4 is lesser, so what I have to go here. Here it is a leaf, so to this leaf I can insert the 4. So you look for the empty space available in that leaf. So empty space is available in that leaf. So in this leaf what the empty space is available. So I can insert the 4, sorry, empty space is available in that leaf or not. If it is available, directly simply we can store it. So now here all the three nodes are what filled, all the three data fields are what filled. There is no space available for the new element 4. So I need to go for the concept of what split and increase. Split and increase means I need to write these elements in that ascending order, that is 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it should be inserted in this load, that is in this leaf, so that just write in that ascending order. And split is what based on the middle element here I am going to choose the 4. Okay, 3 or 4, fourth one is the middle element as per our algorithm. Okay, so what just what moving this 4 into what the root, and 1 3 will be a left of what 1 3 will be the left of the 4, and 5 will be the right of the 5, so right of the 4, like that. So at this space it is going to be splitted like, okay, at this space it is going to be splitted like the 4 goes to the previous level. Okay, increase level. Okay, it will be what, it will go to the previous level. Okay, so and so the left will be the 1 and 3, the right will be the 5, and then the 4 will be moved to the previous level. Okay, we are splitted and increase the level means what, the 4 will be moved to what, previous level. So in the previous level the space is available for the node, I can store that 4 in that level itself. It is not available, in that case I have to what, increase the level. So split and increase level in that step, okay, the level get increased, okay, when that root, the space for the root node after splitting is not available in the previous level. In that case only we need to go for what, split. Okay, but here when you are moving the 4 to the previous level, in that previous level means parent of the current node, the parent of this current node, what, this node, in that node the space is available. Okay, because only one element is there, so 4 can be stored there, so it will be simply what, moved to that node without what, increasing the space. So already what, it is having the 9, so now the 4 also moved to this level, so it will become what, 4 and 9, correct, 4 and 9. Okay, the fourth node left will be the 1 3, correct, so just to put this. Okay, and the fourth node right will be the fourth node right will be this node 5. Okay, so it is having 4 and 9, correct, existing is what, 9, not 5. So this level, this values of 9, 4 and 9, so that what, the fourth node left is the 1 3, fourth node right is the 5, already the ninth node left only what, we have splitted like this, but there is no change in that right of the 9. So the right of the 9 will be what, maintained as it is, that is what, 13 and 21, 13 and 21, that will be what, maintained as it is. Okay, so after inserting the 4, this will be the status. Okay, so this node is getting what, splitted. So the level will get increased only when what, the previous level also the space is not available. In that case only what, it will be what, increased. So next I need to insert after the 4 7. Okay, insert 7. So here the 7 I need to look for the space leaf node. This is the root actually. The 7 is greater than the 4, so it will not be in the left of the 4. Go to the next one. Okay, so if it in the 7 is less than the 9, less than the 9 means what? It should be in the left of the 9. The left of the 9 means here. So in between that 4 and 9 the 7 should be there. So I need to insert the 7 into the node. Here it is the leaf node to which I wanted to insert the 7. So the space is available for the 7 in this node. So I can simply insert it. So 4 and 9, okay, 1 and 3 no change, 13 and 21 no change. Here 5 and the 7 will be inserted here itself, that is 5 and 7. Okay, space is available, so we can insert it simply. The next element to be inserted is for 10. So I can go for inserting the 10, insert of 10. So I need to start from what? The root. Okay, so here 10 is greater than 4 and 10 is greater than 9. Okay, 9 means that right of the 9. Okay, so 10 should be inserted at the right of the 9. So go to this node. Here check whether this is a leaf. This is a leaf means the space for the 10 is that only. Okay, so I need to what? Insert the 10 at this what? Leaf node. So you check whether space is available in that leaf. So here the space is available, so I can insert it. So the 10 will be inserted in this location. So 4, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7. The 10 will be inserted here in that ascending order. So the 10, 13 and 21 will be shifted and it will be stored like that. Okay. So after inserting 10, this is the status. Next I need to insert what? 12. So I wanted to insert what? 12. Insert 12. Okay, so when you come to this one, insert 12, the space for the 12 greater than 4, greater than 9, so left of right of the 9. Here this is the leaf node, so there is no further nodes. So to this leaf node I wanted to insert that 12. Okay, so here I want to insert, but there is no space for the 12 here. There is no space means what? I need to split and increase. Okay, so split means I need to write these elements, these node elements with the new element in the ascending order. So that what? 10, 12, 13, 21. So we have to write like 10, 12, 13 and 21. So middle element is the 13, that need to be moved up. Okay, and this 12, 10, 12 will become left and 21 will become what? Right of the 13. Okay, so 13 become root, this is the left and this is the right, so that this will be splitted like this. Okay, so how means the 13, okay, and the left is that 10 and 12 and right is the 21, like that it will be what? Splitted. Okay, so here the 13 will be moved to the previous level. So when we are moving the 13 to the previous level, what is happening? We need to check whether space is available. If a space is available, we can simply insert in that previous level. There is no space available, I need to go for the splitter there. Okay, the split to be occurred when the space is not available for a particular element. So I can simply move the 13 to this one. Okay, so here so the 13 will be moved the root, there is a space 4, 9, 13 like that. So 4, 9 and 13. So there is no change in that left of the 4, right of the 4. Okay, this means left of the 9. So the changes only on what? The right of the 9. Okay, so that what is happening, these two nodes there is no change. So the 1, 3 and then 5, 7 will be maintained as it is. The 1, 3 is actually left of the 4, Okay, 1 3 is actually what? The left of the 4. Okay, the 5 7 is actually a right of the 4. So that will be maintained as it is. Okay, so only what? The 13 left and right. So 13 left is the 10 12, 13 right is what? 21, like that. So that I need to draw two more notes like this, and the elements 10 and 12 and 21. 10 12 is actually a left of the 13, and 21 will be that right of the 13, like that you have to work. So after inserting the 12, we are increasing the level, so all the leaf node at the same level, and it is satisfying the property. So next I need to what? Insert. I need to insert after the 12 what? 8. Okay, so insert 8. Now I need to look for the leaf node to which 8 to be inserted. I have to start searching from the root. So 4 8 greater. Okay, 8 9 so lesser. So what? In between 4 and 9 I need to insert the 8. So I need to go to this branch. Here this is the leaf node. So I need to what? Insert the 8 in this leaf node and check for the space. The space is available. So I can simply insert that 8 into that node. 4 9 13. So here 5 7 8 will be inserted at this node. So that 5 7 8. Okay, and here 10 12 and here 21. So no change. Okay, so this is the tree after inserting what? 8. The next I wanted to insert after that 8 is 6. Insert 6. So you check the space for the 6 here, greater than 4. So go to that next element, less than that 9. Less than 9 means in between 4 and 9. So I have to go to this branch here. This is the leaf. So what? We need to insert that new element 6 at this node, correct? New element 6 at this node. Okay, so at this node there is no space. So there is no space means what? These elements will be what? Splitted and moved to the previous level. Okay, so that the 5 7 5 a new element 6 7 8 will be written like this, and then the 7 will be moved to what? Previous level, and left of the 7 and right of the 7 will be that 5 6 and 8. Okay, so the split occur at this level like this. The next what? The 7 will be moved there. When the 7 is moved there, here there is no space available. For the 7 in the previous level, parent is this one. In the previous level there is no spaces available. When there is no spaces available, again what? We need to make a split. So this also is going to be splitted like that, is 4 7 9 and 13. So we need to write like this. Okay, we need to what? Write like this, that is the 7 is moved to the previous level. In the previous level node, parent node, there is no space, so we are going to split that level also. So 4 7 9 what? 13. Here the middle element is what? 9. So that is going to be what? Moved to the previous level. In the previous level there is no more level. No more level means that will become the root. We are increasing the level now, so that 9 will become the root, and the left of the 9 is the 4 7 and right of the 9 is what? 13, like that it will be split. Are you clear? So we have started searching the space for the 8. So the 8 is between the 4 and the 9. So we come to this node. This node is a leaf node, so I need to insert that. Sorry, new element is actually what? 6. So the new element is a 6. So what? 6 is in between the 4 and 9. We come to this node. This is the node to which I wanted to insert the 6, but there is no space. We are going for the split. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We have written this in the ascending order. 7 will be moved to the previous level. The left will be the 5, 6, right will be that 8. So in the previous level, there is no space for the 7. So previous level, parent of this node is this node. In that node, there is no space. So there also we are going to apply the split and what? Increase. Split and increase means here 4 and the new element is the 7, that is going to be inserted here. Okay, for 7 and 9 and 13. So middle element is 9. 9 is moved up. Moved up means what? There is no previous level. There is no previous level means what? That 9 alone will become what? The root. Okay, and left of the root is the 4, 7, and right of the root is the 13. Correct? So these things is going to be what applied here. That is what first we will come to this 9. This is the root. In this what? Only 9 is going to be stored. So the left of the 9 is a 4, 7, right is what? 13. The left of the 9, 4, 7 is stored like this, and right of the 9, 13 is stored like this. Okay, so the next I need to fill the next level nodes. In the next level nodes, 1, 3, okay, there is no change. 10, 12, okay, and 21, no change. But this node is splitted into what? 2, 5, 6 and 8. The 7 is moved to the previous level. Okay, the 7 is moved properly into the previous level. So at this level, what I need to draw 5 nodes, 1, 2, 3 and 2 splitted nodes, that we have to draw. Okay, then to which parent I wanted to join, that will discuss. Okay, so first you draw all these 5 nodes, that is 1, 3, 10, 12 and 21. Here 5, 6 and 8. Okay, so we will fill this 1, 3. The next one is the 5, 6, and next one is the 8, and no change in this 10, 12 and 21. Okay, I think this only what we have made a change. Okay, there is no change in that 1, 3, 10, 12 and 21. 1, 3 is previously what? Left of the 4. So that can be kept as it is. That is 1, 3 is the left of the 4. So what? We can join this 1, 3 as a left of the 4. Correct. Similarly here these two nodes there is no change. The 13 left is this one and 13 right is this one. So we can what? Just made a link. 13 left is this one and 13 right is what? This one. Okay, and then we have made a change, that is the 7 is what? Moved up. Okay, in that parent node 5, 6 is a left and what? 8 is a right. So that parent node, what is that? 7. So 7 left is what? This one. 7 right is what? This node. Like that we have joined. So what we have created, we have inserted the 6. So after inserting, now the levels are get increased. Previously what? Only 2 level 1, level 2. Now it is what? 3 levels. Okay, we have got increased. This is because what? While trying to insert the new node at the leaf, no space, so we are moving that element into the previous level. In the previous level also there is no space, what we have what? Increased the level. Okay, so the next element to be inserted is the 30. Okay, after 6 or 30, insert of what? 30. Okay, insert of the 30. So looking for the leaf node to which the 30 to be inserted, start from the root 9, greater than that 9, 30 is greater than the 9, go to the right. Here this is not the leaf node, even the space is available, this is not the leaf node, I need to look for the leaf node only. So what? 30 and 13 greater, so I need to go to the right of the 13. So here this is the leaf node, so now this leaf node I can insert the 13. Now you search for the space. So space is available, and then what, the 30 will be inserted simply on what, this node. Okay. So after inserting the 30 in that node, this is the tree. So simply without modifying any tree structure, simply we have inserted the 30. So the next element to be inserted is the 35. So I need to insert the 35. So 35 space is what, here 9 greater than the 9, 13 greater than what, 13, here the space. Now the space is available in this node, so 35. So the 35 also can get inserted in the same node. So insert 35. So that what is happening after completing this, the 35 also will get what, inserted at this position. So what, 37. So 30 and 37 we have written in the single step, so it will be inserted like this. Okay, sorry, actually 35, this is the 35. Okay. So next to what, 37, the last element is what, 37. So next I wanted to insert the 37. See here, the space for the 37, this node. So I need to what, insert this node, but here there is no space for this node, so that what, this needs to be written like 21, 30, 35 and 37, and what, the 35 should go up, okay, and left of the 35 and right of the 35. Left of the 35, 21, 30, right is what, 27. So that what, this node is splitted, okay, into two node, 21, 30 and 37. 35 is moved up. Moved up means I need to check for the space here, so whether the space is available. So here the 13, the space is available for the 35, so I can insert it. Okay, so no need to what, split this level also. Okay, so after inserting the 37, so here in the root 9 and the left 4, 7 and 7, okay, here left of the 4, 1, 3, right of the 4, 5, 6 and right of the 7, 8. Okay, there is no change here. Okay, and then here 13 and 10, 12. Okay, now what, this is get what, move splitted, that is splitted like 35 is moved, 35 will be placed in this here, this node. So here the node will be the 13 and 35, 13 and what, 35. The left of the 30 no change, 10 and 12. So the 10, 12, okay, that node will become a left of the 13, that is no change. Now this is splitted like what, 21, 30 and 37. So 21, 30 and what, 37. So this is the left of the 35, this is the right of the 35. So it will become like left of the 35 is this one and right of the 35 is what, this one, like that it will be splitted. Okay, so this is the way for inserting the new element into the binary search tree. Okay, so continue this operation. Okay, you try to insert more elements into this existing tree. Try yourself, continue this operation for inserting 25 and followed by 20 and followed by 29 or 31. Okay, so 25, 20 and 31, try this. Okay, so what is the space for inserting these elements, new elements? So if you increase, okay, if you insert, how the structure will get modified in that B tree. Okay, so try it, try yourself. Okay, so on that algorithm for that insertion, what we have explained. Okay, so that you can write in your own words, okay, as a procedure. Okay, so simple procedure. We need to start searching for the leaf node to which the new element to be inserted. That is a step 1. Once if you found that leaf node, we need to what, try to check the space is available in that leaf node. If the space is available in that leaf node, we can simply insert. If that space is not available, we need to split that leaf node into the two. One element will be moved to the previous level, that is a parent node. Okay, so one element will be moved to the previous level, that is a parent node. In that parent node, the space is available for that element, it will be inserted there. If the space is not available in that parent node, again the parent node also will get splitted, and that middle element will be moved one more level, that is a previous level. There is no more previous level means what, the new level will be created. It means that new element will become the root. Okay, so like that we need to write that algorithm in words and try to understand that algorithm by inserting elements the 25, 20 and 31 into this tree. Okay, so I will give one more exercise for practice the insertion operation. Okay, so try to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.